Hello and welcome to the Photo Backup Stick video tutorial series. Today we are going to be talking about scanning for photos and videos in other locations on Windows. If you joined us for our tutorial on how to back up from Windows, you'll remember that when you click on the Start Backup button, by default it is going to scan all the files for the current user. That includes the desktop, the pictures folder, my documents folder, and any folder in those areas that might have photos in it. So it's going to do a pretty comprehensive scan on the current user locations. Now, if you know that your photos are stored somewhere else, maybe another drive, maybe another user account, or you don't know where they're stored at all, we can change where it's going to scan. To do that, we click on Backup from Other Locations and then select Location. On this window, we're going to click the Add button to add a location. So say that I know that all of my photos are stored just in the Pictures folder. I'm going to click on that and click Select Folder, and then I'm going to click OK. And if I click Start Backup, it's going to back up only the folders in that location. If I have another location I want to add, I can add another location. Say I want to add an entire drive, like my C drive. I can click on the drive, and I can click select folder, and then it's going to scan my entire C drive. If I want to remove one of these locations, for example, if I have both of these added on here, it's going to be redundant because the pictures folder here is part of the C drive. I can remove that and just click OK to save that change. And that's it. That's how we scan for other locations for photos and videos when we're doing a backup in Windows. Once you're done, you click Start Backup and it will complete the backup and we'll be done. Thanks for joining me today, and please join me for our other videos on how to do other things, such as backing up from phones that are attached to the computer.